The price of Litecoin, LTC, is currently undergoing a test of its long-term support line. This situation raises the question of whether there will be a rebound or a breakdown in the price. In summary, the price of Litecoin, LTC, has achieved a support line that has been increasing for a significant period of time. The price has been declining since it exceeded $100 in July. The Bussnies price action and relative strength index, RSI, observed on the weekly timescale provide support for the ongoing downward trend. The readings on the daily period exhibit a greater degree of neutrality. The future trajectory of the trend is expected to be influenced by the outcome of LTC's interaction with the current confluence of support levels, either by rebounding or by experiencing a breakdown. The price of Litecoin, LTC, had a decline subsequent to its initial deviation over the horizontal resistance level of $100, commencing in July. The price of LTC has recently achieved a long-term ascending support line that has remained intact for a duration over 1 year. The future trajectory can be influenced by whether it experiences a breakdown or a rebound. The price of Litecoin has a decline subsequent to surpassing the resistance level. The study conducted on a weekly period indicates a bearish view as a result of the observed market activity and readings from several indicators. The current price movement of LTC might be characterized as negative due to its inability to maintain the upward momentum observed in July. The price briefly above the $100 threshold, shown by the red circle, but afterwards sank below it. The price reaching the $100 level established it as a point of resistance, therefore triggering a continuing downward trend. Furthermore, it substantiated the assertion that the occurrence of the breakout was not authorized or valid. Typically, significant declines tend to ensue subsequent to such outliers. Currently, the price of LTC is being traded along an upward sloping support line, which has been in existence for a duration of 427 days. Given the extended duration of the line's existence, the determination of whether Litecoin will see a rebound or a breakdown holds significant implications for its future trajectory. A potential decline from the mentioned level has the potential to result in a significant decrease of approximately 20% towards the support level at $64. Conversely, a rebound from this level could potentially lead to a notable climb of around 33% towards the resistance level at $100. In addition, the weekly relative strength index, RSI, provides further support for the notion of a continuing downward trend. Traders employ the relative strength index, RSI, as a tool for evaluating momentum and ascertaining if a market is experiencing an overbought or oversold condition. This facilitates the determination of whether to maintain or divest an asset. When the relative strength index, RSI, reading exceeds 50 and aligns with an upward trend, it often indicates a preference for bullish emotion. On the contrary, a reading that falls below 50 signifies the inverse. The relative strength index, RSI, has lately fallen below the threshold of 50, following the observation of a bearish divergence indicated by the green line in the previous deviation. This phenomenon occurs when an increase in price is accompanied by a decrease in momentum. This observation highlights the likelihood of a downward trend. Predicting the price of Litecoin, can the price avoid a decline? On August 2, Litecoin underwent its third halving event, resulting in a reduction of LTC block rewards from 15 to 6.25. This alteration resulted in an escalation of the asset's scarcity. Despite the inherent deflationary impact associated with the halving event, the price of Litecoin, LTC, experienced a drop in the week subsequent to this occurrence. There is a possibility that the sell-off was initiated by miners. Notwithstanding the aforementioned decrease, there exists the possibility of a resurgence in the price of LTC. From the beginning of February, the cryptocurrency known as Litecoin has exhibited a trading pattern characterized by an ascending parallel channel. The price has experienced a marginal decline below the support line of the channel. Nevertheless, given that there has been no definitive closure below said threshold, it is still plausible that a reversal may occur, leading to a re-establishment of the aforementioned level. Furthermore, the alignment of the channel's support line with the long-term ascending support line serves to enhance its significance. Moreover, the wave count provides evidence in favor of the hypothesis of a potential local trough. Analysts that utilize the Elliott wave theory examine repetitive, extended price patterns and the psychology of investors in order to ascertain the direction of a trend. It is plausible to consider that the motion restricted within the channel is a component of a broader corrective formation denoted as ABC, black. If this assertion is correct, it can be inferred that waves A and C exhibit a precise 1-to-1 ratio, which is an often found proportion in similar formations. If this interpretation is valid, it is possible to anticipate a significant rebound in the price of LTC from the support line of the channel. This rebound has the potential to drive the price towards the resistance level at $100. Nevertheless, should there be a definitive breach below the established channel, it would render this wave analysis inconclusive and perhaps result in the price descending under the aforementioned support level of $64. Therefore, the forecast for the price of LTC is contingent upon its ability to either breach the long-term rising support line and channel, or undergo a rebound. The occurrence of a strong rebound has the potential to induce a significant increase of 30%, leading to a valuation of $100. Conversely, a breakdown in the market might result in a loss of 18%, causing the price to reach the level of $64. The 11% drop in Bitcoin's price is a prediction. Amid changes in the market and major events, Bitcoin, which is currently worth $26 for 23 and is selling on the cryptocurrency market, has dropped by nearly 11% in the last week. This happened in a market that is very unstable. This drop is happening against the background of important events and changes that are still changing the crypto world. In the middle of these changes, people like Trump, who warns of possible effects on the US currency system, and interesting moves like SpaceX's sale of Bitcoin bought in 2021 and 2022 for $373 million have drawn more attention to the market. Also, changes in Tether's backing for certain cryptocurrencies show how complicated the factors are that affect the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This Bitcoin price forecast looks at the recent 11% drop in BTC and the market factors and important events that are affecting its path. Trump raises concerns about the US losing control of the global currency system. BTC/USD is going down today, which is similar to what former President Donald Trump said about the United States